Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android. With this method you can transfer all your WhatsApp messages with all the attachments from one phone to another. So please watch this video till the very end as I will be explaining everything step by step. And if you find this video helpful by any means, then please share it with your friends. Sharing is always free guys, it doesn't cost you anything. So with that being said, let's get started. In order to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone, you will need a software called Dr. Phone iOS WhatsApp Transfer, Backup and Restore. You can get the software from the link given in the description below. This software is also available for Mac users. So just go ahead, download and install the software. After that, open it up. As you can see, this software is world's #1 smartphone management software, especially designed for Android and iOS devices. With this software, you can recover any kind of deleted files from Android and iOS devices. You can also transfer data between your phone and your computer. You can transfer data from one phone to another, like if you are switching from Android to iPhone or iPhone to Android, you can copy all data from one phone to another. You can also backup and restore your phones, including contacts, messages, and all those kind of stuff. This software is not free though, but this software worth every single penny of your money. Okay, in order to transfer WhatsApp messages, you're gonna have to select Restore Social App. Just click on it. With this option, you can also backup and restore your Line, Cake, Viber, and WeChat messages. This software gives you two options to transfer WhatsApp messages from one phone to another. First option is transfer WhatsApp messages. With this option, you can transfer all your WhatsApp messages from one phone to another without saving a copy of your WhatsApp messages to your computer. And the second option is backup WhatsApp messages. With this option, first you need to backup your WhatsApp messages to your computer. Once you have backed up, you can either restore those backup files to an Android device or an iOS device. You can choose whichever option you want. In my case, I'm gonna go with backup WhatsApp messages because first I want to backup my WhatsApp messages to my computer. After that, I'm gonna restore my WhatsApp message to my iOS device. Now it's gonna ask you to connect your phone to your computer. First of all, connect the phone that you want to backup. In my case, I'm going to transfer my WhatsApp messages from my Android. So first, I'm gonna backup WhatsApp messages from my Android device. So I'm just gonna connect my phone. Okay, once your phone is connected successfully, it's gonna start backing up your WhatsApp messages automatically. Okay, now you need to follow the on-screen instruction. Okay, first it's saying go to your settings, chat backup. Now make sure Google Drive backup is set to never. After that, tap on backup. Okay, once you've done that, just click on next. After that, click on yes. During this process, do not disconnect your phone. Just leave your phone as it is. Okay, now the backup is completed. Now this is the backup file. Now I'm going to transfer this backup file to an iPhone. Okay, now that you have backed up your WhatsApp messages from your Android device, in order to transfer those backup files to an iOS device, click on Restore Social App. Then select this option. Just click on it. Now select the backup file. In my case, this is the backup file. After that, click on next. Now connect your iPhone to your computer with a USB cable. Okay, once it's connected, just click on restore. Click on yes. Okay, first of all, you need to log into your WhatsApp on your iPhone. Okay, on your iPhone, open WhatsApp and sign up with any number you want. So I'm just gonna sign up with my another phone number. Okay, once you are signed up, just click on login successful. Okay, now it's restoring WhatsApp messages to my iPhone. As you can see here, restore in progress. Now restoring is completed. Now your iPhone will restart. Okay, now you can see these are the WhatsApp messages that were stored on my Android phone. That is how you can transfer WhatsApp messages from one phone to another. Please let me know what do you think about this video in the comment section below, and if you enjoyed this video then please give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends. That will be considered a big support from you guys. If you want more videos like this, then please subscribe to my channel with notification on, and I'll catch you on the next one. Have a wonderful day.
Wow.